Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this delicious lemon chicken recipe. So without further ado, let's get started. So here I've taken 250 grams of boneless chicken pieces. I'm adding in 1/3 cup of cornstarch and 1 egg. We need to coat the chicken really well with the cornstarch and the egg and refrigerate for 30 minutes. So make sure each and every piece is well coated. Now we need to cut the lemon peels. So there is a particular way to cut it. So as you can see here, I've taken the peel of half a lemon and you need to take out the white skin and then cut it into long strips, thin long strips. If you cannot do this, what you can also do is use a grater and grate the skin of one lemon. That would also work. But this will give a better flavor. Now I've taken the lemon strips here. As you can see, I've cut them really thin. I'm adding in 1 spoon of honey and I'm going to let the lemon peel soak in the honey. I have removed the chicken from the refrigerator. It has been 30 minutes. I'm adding in another approximately 2 teaspoons of cornstarch and I'm coating each piece of chicken. As you can see, it's nice and thick. So it's easier to fry. So I've taken oil here, I've heated the oil and I'm going to fry each piece until it is light golden. So we need to fry it 2 times to give it the proper crispy texture, and when you'll add it in the gravy, it will not get soggy. So 1 time is done. As you can see, it is nice and has a light golden color. Now I'm frying it again. I'll fry it again for 2 to 3 minutes until I get a dark golden color on it. It looks done and nice and crispy, so I'll remove it in a towel. Here I'm taking 1 tablespoon oil. Let it heat up and add 2 tablespoons of chopped garlic, 2 green chilies chopped. So you do not have to brown the garlic. I'm adding 1 large onions chopped. I've finely chopped the onion. We do not need to brown any of this. Just fry it on medium to high flame for 1 to 2 minutes. Add in the fried chicken pieces and cook it well with the garlic and the onion. I'm adding salt to taste. Now I'm adding 1 teaspoon of MSG. It is obviously optional, but it gives the nice Chinese flavor to the dish. So now I'm going to add in the honey-soaked lemon peels. Cook it well with the chicken, coating every piece. I've kept the heat on medium. You can keep it on medium to high. Cook for a minute. Now I'm adding 2 cups of chicken stock, which I had pre-made earlier. If you want to know how to make the stock, it is in the description box below. I'm adding 2 tablespoons sugar and I'm going to cook everything well until it comes to a boil. So here I'm adding 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. I have mixed it in a little bit of water and I've added it here. Cook it for like a minute or 2 till the gravy thickens. As you can see, it's getting thick. Add juice of 1 lemon. This is 1 large lemon. And I have added some finely sliced lemon pieces. It looks good and it imparts a beautiful aroma. It's optional. If you don't want to add it, please don't. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder. That will give a nice zing to the gravy. I'm mixing it in. The gravy looks nice and thick. This is the consistency I want. You can even go a little thicker or thin it down. Garnish it with some chopped spring onions. And it's done. If you liked my recipe, don't forget to like, comment, and do subscribe to my channel. If you want to see more of my videos, it is right on the screen here. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.